Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a full face of E.L.F. makeup products. Some were a fail and some weren't. As you can tell, my eyes are a fail. But if you want to see the mess I got into, then continue watching. Bye. So I'm going in with the E.L.F. SPF 20 sunscreen face primer that looks like this. I'm gonna let this set on my face for a little bit. So I'm going in with the E.L.F. foundation SPF 15. It looks like this. I am in the shade Porcelain. And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild brush to apply it to my face. Right off the bat, by applying it to my face, it has a smell, that's for sure. It smells like chemicals. I know people were wondering why my lighting sucks. One, because I'm using a phone. And two, since it's barely spring, during the winter and fall, it'd be raining and the drain is right next to my window, which makes me not film. And then when I can film, the days are cloudy. My camera quality is not the best, but don't worry, I am buying a new phone soon, so I can't wait. I only applied one layer, as you can see, and this is a little, I'd say light to medium coverage, just because I can see my freckles, but my freckles are really dark, so yeah. I actually like how it feels. It blended actually really nice. It blended way better than my other foundation, so that's a plus. I'm taking the Cover Everything concealer and going in with my Ulta concealer brush that looks like this. And I'm just dipping it in. And going to apply it under my eyes. Now, I do think I got the concealer a little too dark for my under eyes. Well, it's peachy, not dark. I'm just gonna brush it out. Got the E.L.F. sheer under eye powder that I will be applying under my eyes. I'm just gonna brighten my under eyes. This powder, I will say, is a really good powder. This sets my eyes without it looking crusty, because all my other powders make my eyes look freaking crusty, and I hate that. And I am just gonna set, I'm not gonna go too much into my eye, I'm not gonna bake, but just want to make sure my under eyes are set. So now I'm going in with the E.L.F. face powder in Ivory. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Flawless finish. I love this powder. See, the more I try products, the more I like them. For brows, I did get this E.L.F. Duo in the shade Light. I'm just gonna line my brows. I do use pencil rather than gel, but whatever. I remember I used to use this during what was it, freshman year? This was like the shit. Okay, this was hard. I feel like I have to tap a lot of it off. It looks really greasy, that's all I'm gonna say. So I'm going in with the powder and just setting my eyebrows. I'm going in with the concealer again and just carving my eyebrows to give it a better look. The sun is coming down, so don't mind my neck. Concealer is everything, dude. where it is. Blend this down. My eyebrows aren't the best, but this is as good as I can make them look. Don't judge me. I'm using the E.L.F. primer to prime my eyelids. I love this baby. I always prime my eyelids with this. So I already know I like it. The only thing is, if you don't like light coverage things, then you might not like this product, because this is a very light product. You will see your veins with this. This quad called Matte for Plum looks like this. I'm gonna be taking the first shade to just set my eyelids. Honestly, I'm just gonna go in the order that it says to go in. So it says this is a base. I'm using this as a base. This, I see dust everywhere. It's very powdery. To take the dark one on the lid, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And with this brush, I'm just gonna go in. Now for the crease, it does say to take this plum shade, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm taking my E.L.F. blending brush. Whoa, I cannot blend if this happens. What the fuck? I feel like the more I blend, the more it takes product off of my eyelid. As you can see, look how it dragged this down. Oh my god. Now it looks like I have a black eye, but we're gonna deal with it, right? Taking this shade right here, the last one that says line, and I'm lining my eyes. I'm not gonna do a wing, I'm just gonna line my eyes. Damn near the same shade as the one on the lid, although they look different in the compact. They have some similarities. So I think this was a fail. Taking the E.L.F. mascara and I'm just applying it on my eyes. I want to see how good this is. That's why I'm not applying falsies. Oh. Okay, not bad. Okay, you can't even tell because of the shadow, but can you see my eyelashes? They look so pretty. I'm taking this Bare Minerals brush and I'm just gonna carve it out and blend more. There you go. It's getting more product. Okay. You have to really pack it on, but I really, really like it. We'll be using this other shade in the compact. Ooh, I can already see it. Taking my fan brush. This shade is so fucking pretty. I'm gonna put some on my nose because I love highlight on my nose. I'm gonna go in with the blush right here and a blush brush from E.L.F. And ooh, okay. Whoa. Okay. My thoughts. This is a really, really light pink shade, so I do have to blend it, and also it's shiny, so it gives some type of shade. It's okay. Right now, I'm a mess. I have the E.L.F. moisturizing lipstick in Ravishing Rose, which looks like this. I've used this before and I really like this. I wanted to use this matte lip color in the shade Natural just because it's pretty, and I want to see how it looks over this. Okay everyone, you came to the end of my video. This was a fail because I don't like my eyes and the lighting is horrible, which I do apologize. I just want to get some content out there for you guys. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this mess, my mess. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.